What's up everybody and welcome to Android updates. In this video I want to tell Android 10 highlights. First they added some features for Android 10. There is a live caption, smart reply, sound amplifier, gesture navigations, dark theme, privacy control, location control, security updates, focus mode and family link. Without wasting time, let's enter into the video. The first of all is a live caption. It's automatically caption media playing on your phone. With a single tap, live caption automatically captions video, broadcast and audio messages, even stuff that you record yourself without ever needing a Wi-Fi or mobile data. And second is a smart reply. Take actions right away as you reply. In Android 10, you get more than just suggested responses to your messages. You also get recommended actions. So if your friend asks you to get a dinner, your phone will suggest to next day as a okay or any emoji. Then it's also pull up directions right in Google Maps. It even works in messaging apps like a Signal. And next one is in sound amplifier. Hear what around you more clearly. With sound amplifier, your phone can boost sound filters, background noise, and fine tune to how you're best. Whether you're talking to a lecturer, just plug into your headphones and hear everything more clearly. As the next one is a gesture navigation. Get around with a swipe pull. Gestures are now quicker and more inward than ever. Go backwards and forwards. Pull up the home screen and wipe up to see your open apps and all super smooth. And next one is dark theme. Take it easy on your eyes and your battery. Android new dark theme uses the true black to keep your battery alive longer. Plus it also changes how your Google app looks like, calendar and photos. And next one is privacy. Keep your data private with more controls. With Android 10 you're in control of your privacy. That because you get now smarter controls that lets you decide how and where data on your device is shared, so you can reset easy. The focus mode. So focus on what's in front of you. For getting in the zone and blocking your distractions, focus mode lets you select apps to pass temporarily. So if you want to turn off a distracting app to get something done, all you have to do is tap. Finally, family link. Set digital ground rules and help makes healthy habits. Help guide your children as they learn, play and explore online. You can set screen time limits, view app activity, manage apps and content restrictions, and see where your children are. These are your Android 10 updates, guys. If you're new from the channel, and just subscribe. And if you have any problem with your Android, just comment below and I will get a solution for your problem.